Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then tap Hotspot and Tethering to start. Find the portable Wi-Fi hotspot option and tap it to open details. Give your hotspot a name that is easy to recognize on other devices. Set a Wi-Fi password of at least 8 characters to secure the connection. You can change the AP band or leave it on automatic for compatibility. Tap Use Wi-Fi Hotspot to turn the hotspot on and share your tablet data with other devices. Open the hotspot configuration panel to access advanced settings and options. Choose 4 GHz for longer range or choose 5 GHz for faster local speeds. Set the maximum number of connected devices to 10 to manage bandwidth and reduce battery load. Enable the automatic shutdown feature and set an idle timeout to 10 minutes of inactivity to save power. You can also toggle AP band, hide the network SSID, and view current data usage from this screen. Use WPA2 or WPA3 security and change the hotspot password regularly for safety. If devices cannot connect reliably, restart the tablet or toggle the hotspot off and on again. Review the list of connected devices in the hotspot panel to identify and disconnect unwanted users immediately. Check your carrier tethering limits and monitor data usage to avoid unexpected overage charges on your plan. Keep firmware updated with Lenovo Vantage or System.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.